Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is SH0T. Today I'm going to talk about you today called Jovi. You might have heard me talk about him already. Jovi is the youth where he man such man. He man such sprat. You know the bias sprat to all artists. Monday say man choose anything man. He man such man did a war because Jovi the end up start rubber dub. Shorty. People get upset, war start, man dead. Multiple people end up dead. Me tell them say such man even make them kill Jovi worker them in a Portmore. Jovi they have one business, youth them that work for Jovi, then pull up for do a delivery. Such man make him 87 them kill the youth them. Now, normally, anybody else in that say, boy, that's a wicked smarty. We can't wait for police kill him, but such man have tune, so all is forgiven and all is forgotten. Then we hear say, Jovi father all dead. Such man make the man then kill Jovi father. Well, Jovi has now been shot. He get shot in the mouth of Philly. Never telling about it. Because this needs to be studied. Enough of the man out there don't understand what really are going on. When you think you know what going on, you think you understand certain things in our life, but you really don't. This youth Jovi wouldn't stop until him end up pick up rounds. You really see the man them now. Irymanians and Irish Saxons. I really see the two set of man them now. Cause whether Irish Saxon or Iryman, Negro are one thing where it bring down anyone I know. Don't think because you're an Irymanian, you're immune. Guy. Me approach the Negro the same way me approach a Mastiff, a Sig Sauer, or a built 2JZ engine. You know, a rear-wheel drive machine. When you step on the gas and use it, it goes. That's how me approach the Eagle Eye. Everything I just mentioned a while ago, don't care how I love it. I'm still very hesitant and very cautious. Because I know that this will dash me when I take my 3 points. All the time I know that dog for 50 years. Very cautious. Because all you need is one bad day. And you will be having a bad day. Built 2JZ engine, 1000 wheel horsepower, love it. But all you need is one bad day. And you will be having a bad day. Next thing you know, you'll be going into a light post, back way. That's how you have to look on the Eagle Eye. As man, you have to understand, say, we love it, but approach with caution, guy. Because Eagle Eye, I'm telling already, Eagle Eye make funeral home, can't go to business. Jovi and man a war over Eagle Eye for years now and see it finally reach him. While him personally pick up rounds. Get shot in the mouth in Philly. So big party are going in Philly. Usually them kind of story start off with some kind of party or entertainment, because you know, Chicken Mary, Irish Saxons, them here. So big party are going. All kind of war start. Woman a fight woman. Then man start fight man. Then gun start coming to play. The screenshot you look on your screen right now. That's when Jovi and the man in my war. In the party. You have to be a crazy. Living in a Philly is dangerous enough. But if you go party with Irish Saxons, them the kind of bravery they require you to enlist in the US Army Rangers. A warrior to go fight. A young and normal smarty. Anybody who brave enough to go party in a Philly need to go fight war. A Hamas and Hezbollah and Israel and them people if you fight against. Right now them need in a Ukraine. Woman a fight woman, man start fight, man all kind of madness. Typical Irish Saxon behavior. What is fascinating is that even though Irish Saxons live for entertainment, and live for fun. Them can't even do that properly. Irish Saxons live for entertainment and live for fun, and they can't even do that properly because in the middle of entertainment and the fun, here they come with the gun. Madness. Jovi, after him already a war with such man, to where him worker them get killed, father get killed, Ghana Philly again after being deported. Jovi a deportee. Right now, they hold on upon him. I tell him, so he come out of the hospital in gone. So, I don't know if him have 3-4 names he can call and get a little deal. Now, when if him have the name, can't give nobody. But I think he can give Uncle Sam the name and them say, well, this person is worth keeping around as a confidential informant. I don't know. Me I try to think, what kind of asset Jovi could have be to make Uncle Sam not dash him. Jovi left in the hospital, all kind of tube in his face. Meanwhile, ice rub them on. So as he come out, then dash him. Because Jovi already got deported and find himself. But this is why I tell you the Irish Saxon brain has to be studied. Irish Saxons will get deep from foreign. Somehow wiggle them way back into foreign. And go back go do the exact same thing will get them deep in the first place. This is why I tell you Irish Saxons are overgrown children. What Pitney do? Pitney will draw down something upon themselves. You will put something way over top. And Pitney find them, climb on it, draw it, make it drop off on them. Boof, boof, boof. You hear be balling. Wee! 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 Daddy! Wee! You think them are dead. You run there like Superman. You take them up. You say to them, say, where are trouble that for? Look how you gonna make it drop on you and injure yourself. Then ball till you short a breath. You cuss them, then you start feel sorry for them. And as you turn your back, then go and draw down something else. Same process over and over. That's how a child operates. That's how an Irish Saxon operates. Them get second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth chance and still can't learn. Jovi love the hype and the excitement so much that this youth in the people in place. Illegal, you know. Gun in a hand, gun in a waist, gun pan teeth. A war man over an eagle eye. See, Jovi lost respect for the eagle eye. Look, I can get it too easy. Start underestimating the eagle eye. Dopey bat. You know how much man out of Dovecat and Medaris cause an eagle eye? Dopey bat. You know how much war and how much soldiers Skellington left on the battlefield cause an eagle eye? If you don't respect it, you will learn the hard way. You have different type of fear. You have one side of fear where you completely avoid, you don't want nothing to do with. And you have a next side of fear which is like a heightened sense of respect. So you have one side of fear like a snake. Nobody not like snake. Nobody not going nowhere near a snake. Most people not going nowhere near a snake. Right? That kind of fear that you just avoid the snake completely. But you have a next type of fear where you still deal with it because you love it, but you have to be very cautious and respect it highly because you know what can go on. Just like I mentioned before, the 2JZ engine. A sound have to look on the eagle eye. One bad day and you will be having a bad day. After what reached Jovi, after Jovi so much people around him, dead sick on eagle eye. He still gonna feel he gonna warm on feet. All one girl in the middle of the madness get all shot. Pure chaos. Him there with she and she there with him and him there with that one ya. And then that one ya really take that one ya. Then he find out say two women them did that one ya. And all kind of madness guy. It has to be studied. You better respect the power of the eagle eye, guy, or you will die. Just like the 2JZ engine, love it. I'm afraid of it. You look at YouTubers saying afraid. You see, the moment you stop fearing something, it kill you. Wonder if you're listening to me. Remember, we are talking about the respect side of fear, not the avoidance type of fear. The moment you stop afraid of something, it kill you. Way back in the day, we are talking about donkey years now, because we must say, look at you, but washed up dinosaur. From when I look at you, I know man that tell you say, nah, pay JPS, nothing. You might throw a fee wire up online. You not pay nothing. And some of the man them used to be so skilled that it come like a them invent electricity. You wonder how man do that. Man all show you say, watch out, me touch this, and then me hold on upon this, then nothing happen, me just pass through this, and look upon this. Man do all kind of stunt with current. Until one day, you see big crowd draw. When you look, you see him body stiff like rigor mortis set in instantly. Because man stop afraid of current now. When him did afraid of current, him used to do everything right. When him used to afraid of current, he did everything right. Him very careful when him a teach the people them light. But him get comfortable. Start going like a him invent current. Start forget about him P's and Q's. Gone thief light. And the light thief him life. Because him stop afraid of it. Him stop respect it. No matter how much more I love woman and love Eagle Eye. Me always cautious. You know it guys man, temptation great, and you know the woman, them only look better and better and better every day. And sometimes you see one opportunity over there, so you see this and you see that. Sometimes I better you just hold it and stay in your yard and go on home to your woman who love you and care for you. I tell you the truth, bro. Sometimes I never hurt it. Sometimes I never hurt it. I talk to as man and man right now. You know it already. Woman them look good and better every day. And the temptation does a draw you in. But some of them Eagle Eye are going to send some of them to prison and send some of them to Medaris and get some of them deported. The moment you stop fearing something, it will kill you. Just like with the 2JZ engine. Trong! You just a billion, you just a pile on the boost and just a take it so. Start forget about your P's and Q's. One time I used to warm up a tire instantly, but now 3 things for your master car or master engine, you jump in a car and squeeze. Next thing you collide now and bridge head on and firefight off you try squeeze your body out of it. Jovi, if you are listening to this video right now, you take away only one thing from it. Take away this. Turn a monk. Shave off the whole of your head youth and go find one temple. Forget about the hype. Forget about the partying. Just turn a monk, youth. Just turn a monk. Because nobody can solve so. There are lots of men willing to dash away for them life and your life over some Eagle Eye. Me no know what Jovi do. I don't know if it's him face or him waist. But whatever him do, seem like he make the man them girl them latch on to him. Me don't know if that's why the man shot him in him face. Cause me saw him tongue shot out. So if it was the face him will use right now, that can't use again. So I don't know if it's the face or the waist. But from what me I hear, enough man girl Jovi a rubber dub. Till even Shorty I say, oh Jovi deal with that thing. It's levels above what the Sprat deal with. But Jovi take a break you. Become a monk. Move to Asia, find one temple and just chill out with some monk. Meditate all day. That's all I can tell you. There is no shortage of men willing to dash them life. There is no shortage of girl clown we're willing to end your life and dash it for them freedom over some Eagle Eye. No shortage. The Eagle Eye has to be respected. From the beginning of time, men have been getting that lesson the hard way. Because enough man get so much Eagle Eye, them start tell themselves, so this is not nothing man. Them start take it for granted. Guy, Not even the US Army powerful like the Eagle Eye. Because if a woman give that Eagle Eye to the right guy, you might die. If she give that Eagle Eye to the right man, well, wrong man. If she give that Eagle Eye to the right girl clone, and then tell him say, you this her, and me go for him rifle and go so, rah! Always nothing a go so. Jovi go turn a monkey out. Jovi go turn a monkey out, that's all me can say. But, after such man, 87 them nearly kill him off. See him find himself all the way back at Philly. Next to a man nearly kill him off. That's to be studied. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.